Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily remove writing protection on your CD card or USB. So if you plug in your USB and you can't write something to this device, how you can fix it? First you need just to go to search tab and just write in search tab reg edit. Here you can see our registry editor, so just click yes. Now you need to find here HKey local machine, system, current control set, control, and also if you don't see here in control, you don't see storage device policies, so you just need to create this folder. So just go back to our control folder. So just find here, go back to your control folder. So just remove here you can see our control folder. So just right click on it and choose new and choose key, new key. So just write name of folder storage, device, policies. So just write like I write it. So just write storage device policies and just click enter. So now it successfully created our folder. So just right click on it and choose create new, and now you just need to choose your folder, right click on it and choose create new, and you need to create keyword 64-bit. Just click on it, and now you need to write name of it, write protect, and just click enter. So now you just need to click 2 times on it, and here in value you see that it has value null, so we need to change it for 1 and just click enter. So now it's successfully changed for 1. We can also check it. Just click on it and here you can see that it's successfully changed for 1. So everything's working. So now you just need to close this and just restart your computer and try to plug in your USB or your CD card to your computer, and I hope that this method will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.